Is it time to buy or sell ZKIN International Group Company Limited stock? In this video, we are diving deep into ZKIN International Group Company Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th day of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked ZKIN International Group Company Limited as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 253.1% since we first recommended purchasing ZKIN International Group Company Limited 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of 84.37% per day since it was categorized as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of nearly 15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from approximately -85% to -15%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of about 46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around -65% to 27% over the coming year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price that could fall between $1.40 and $5.08. Our latest daily update for ZKIN International Group Company Limited includes the headline: High volatility in ZKIN International Group Company Limited stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $3.99. The ZKIN International Group Company Limited stock price gained 58.33% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025. It rose from $2.52 to $3.99. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if it takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 47.04%, with a daily low of $3.04 and a daily high of $4.47. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 262.93% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 24 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $185,601,000. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.47, while the lowest was 29.2 cents. Currently, the price is 10.74% or 48 cents below the 52-week high, and 75.06% or $12 below the all-time high on December 28, 2017, when the price reached $16. ZKIN International Group Company Limited, trading under the symbol ZKNI, has recently attracted attention due to several significant developments that may affect its stock performance in both the short and long term. On the 24th of February, ZKIN addressed a Nasdaq bid price deficiency, ensuring continued compliance with listing standards. This news alleviates immediate market concerns about the company's viability and may boost investor confidence, potentially stabilizing the stock price in the near term. Furthermore, the company reported a remarkable 405% increase in gross profit for the fiscal year 2024, accompanied by a 95.44% reduction in net loss. Such financial enhancements not only increase ZKIN International's appeal to investors, but also indicate a turnaround that could lead to more sustained growth, positively influencing the stock price over the long term. Strategically, ZK International is diversifying by planning to launch X Sigma Wallet, which will enable users to purchase cryptocurrencies through traditional payment methods. This venture into the cryptocurrency space opens up new revenue streams and can strengthen its market position as the digital economy continues to expand. Moreover, ZKIN's recent inclusion in a list of oversold materials stocks suggests its potential as an undervalued investment opportunity in the current market climate. Collectively, these factors position ZKIN favorably for short-term stabilization and long-term growth as the company adapts to market trends and enhances its financial health. Analysts have assigned ZK International Group Company Limited a general strong sell rating for its stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts continue to rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for ZK International Group Company Limited. The stock of ZK International Group Company Limited shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $1.68 and $1.22. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, April 16, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 348.26%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading session, despite an increase in prices, which creates a divergence between volume and prices and may serve as an early warning. Therefore, this stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 17 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average gives a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 16 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for ZK International Group Company Limited. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock is considered very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.43 between its high and low, representing a change of 47.04%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 37.05%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for ZK International Group Company Limited, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. While even established companies can face downturns due to factors beyond their control, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ZK International Group Company Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and utilize volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.89, which represents a decline of 2.58%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significantly elevated risk level. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, currently stands at 96, further amplifying this risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is ZK International Group Company Limited stock a good buy? ZK International Group Company Limited exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we wait for further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate that ZK International Group Company Limited will open lower by 157/100ths of a dollar, starting trading at $3.83. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.